You may think that jeans are too casual to look elevated and polished. But today, I'm going to show you how to look classy in jeans. Jeans have become a wardrobe staple for many women. And while in the past they were viewed as strictly casual, now they can be dressed up or dressed down for the occasion. The easiest way to elevate a pair of jeans is to simply add a blazer like I've done here. A simple beige, slightly oversized blazer with some very comfortable loafers for a rather smart casual look. One of the ways you can elevate denim for a classy look is to go beyond the traditional blue denim. Here I've gone with ivory jeans, and I've actually done a column look with an ivory sweater and ivory jeans, so it's all one color for the base, and then layered over top a baby blue blazer. This is a very classy look for lunch or brunch. But being classy in jeans doesn't always mean being elevated. Here, this is an everyday look. Light wash blue denim, light blue baby button-up, ivory cable knit cardigan, and comfortable loafers for an everyday look that is classy in jeans. Here is another example of ivory jeans that look classy without being dressy. So these are ankle-length ivory jeans that I've paired with a breathable merino wool pullover and loafers. And by the way, this pullover, I bought it for golf because it is breathable wool and I can be active in it, but it is so comfortable that I end up wearing it on an everyday basis. And you've heard me talk about these loafers, but these loafers are almost as comfortable as my running shoes. This was the outfit I wore yesterday, and it's one of my favorites. Classy yet casual. Continuing the demonstration of how to look classy in jeans without wearing blue jeans or looking beyond blue jeans, I've paired these black denim jeans with a striped t-shirt, an ivory cardigan, and loafers. What I like about these black jeans is they're sort of a faded wash, not too faded that they look ridiculous, but it just goes beyond that basic black to create a casual yet still classy in jeans outfit. This look is another example of how a blazer can instantly elevate a pair of jeans. So I've paired the darker camel, slightly darker camel for spring blazer with a blue, baby blue pinstripe button-up blouse, which is sleeveless, by the way, and a light wash pair of jeans, loafers, and a very lovely handbag, my new favorite. And this creates an instant elevated jeans outfit classy enough for lunch, dinner, or travel. Here I've taken the ivory ankle jeans and styled it as a tonal on top outfit. Tonal on top is where your shirt and jacket are the same color on top and then a different color on bottom. So instead of a blazer, I've gone with a boxy sweater jacket here and a matching shell underneath, and the shell is sleeveless. This is a very warm combination, so it's good for spring, but then the cap-toed running heels is what they are called, really sets this look off. The shoes are called running heels because they are that kind of comfortable, and I actually just bought a pair in black for court. Until we meet again, my friends.